Have you ever looked at your Newton wallet and thought, where the heck is my address? It's a question that's plagued many crypto newbies and even some seasoned veterans. Today, we're diving deep into the Newton app to find that elusive wallet address. Building context. Before we get started, let's quickly understand why your wallet address is so important. Think of it as your digital bank account number. It's the unique identifier that allows others to send cryptocurrency to your wallet. Without it, you can't receive any funds. Finding your address, step-by-step guide. Open the Newton app. The first step is obvious, right? Open the Newton app on your smartphone. Navigate to your wallet. Look for the Wallet tab or icon. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. View your addresses. Once you're in your wallet, you should see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Tap on any of these assets. Locate the Receive button. Look for a button labeled Receive or something similar. Tap on it. Your address revealed. A screen should appear displaying your unique wallet address. This is the address you can share with others to receive funds. Tips and tricks. QR code convenience. Most wallets allow you to generate a QR code for your address. This is a convenient way to share your address with others. Simply scan the QR code with a compatible wallet app. Security first. Always double-check the address you're sharing to avoid sending funds to the wrong wallet. A small typo can lead to significant losses. Multiple addresses. If you have multiple cryptocurrencies, you'll likely have a separate address for each one. Make sure you're sharing the correct address for the specific asset you're expecting to receive. Common mistakes and troubleshooting. Incorrect address. One of the most common mistakes is entering or sharing the wrong address. Always verify the address before sending funds. Network issues. Sometimes, network connectivity issues can prevent your wallet from displaying your address correctly. Try refreshing the app or checking your internet connection. App glitches. Occasionally, app glitches can cause problems. If you're having trouble finding your address, try closing and reopening the app. Additional considerations. Hardware wallets. If you're using a hardware wallet, the process of finding your address might be slightly different. Consult your hardware wallet's documentation for specific instructions. Security best practices. Remember to keep your wallet secure. Avoid sharing your private key or seed phrase with anyone. Conclusion. Finding your Newton wallet address is a simple process that can be completed in a few taps. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to easily receive cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.